Hey guys, this is the Universal Sound module. This accompanies the other video which I've done. If you'd like to click on the link on the screen or go into the description box, that'll take you to the other video. But if you'll stay here, I'm going to demo you the Universal Sound module. This was created by Steinberg in 2000 and it would get bundled with their Cubase package. I've got it with Cubase SX3 and I think you can actually get hold of it on their FTP site as well as one of their freeware. So I'm going to demo you the Universal Sound module, and here is the grand piano. And as you can hear, it sounds very basic, and it doesn't seem to have any life to it. And anybody these days would not record with this because it does sound so dead. And that's an electric piano. Let's try a xylophone. Some tubular bells. And we'll go to some acoustic guitar. The idea of the Universal Sound module is actually known as kind of a general MIDI set. General MIDI set basically means they've taken 128 sounds and kind of bundled it into, usually you find it on keyboards as you kind of go through the sound presets. Here's some strings. But as I mentioned in the other video, I decided to spice the sound up a bit. So putting a bit of equalizer, kind of the graphic equalizer, some compression to beef up the sound a bit, and I put a bit of delay and a bit of reverb and an exciter, and it goes from this to this. Let's pick up another sound. I think it does pretty well with the xylophone. And if you hear the difference. And there's some nice kind of pad sounds at the end of the list. And obviously I've got my effects on, so it does sound a bit better. If I was to switch it off again and do that. That's a wood block. Koto. And then again, taking the effects off. And I hope that gave you some good information about the Universal Sound Module. If you've got any questions or queries, just make a comment below and I'll reply to it. And as always, thanks for watching. Cheers, guys.